MicroNX. MicroNX micromotor brushless handpiece set is used at the dentist and dental labs for grinding, polishing, and cutting surfaces of dental prosthetics. It is also used to remove the burr on the surface of dental molds. Here's how you install and use the micromotor brushless handpiece when installing it on your desk. Hold the handpiece with one hand and turn the power on. Press the first button and select the speed adjustment method. To use the automatic operation function when adjusting with knees or feet, press the third button and wait for 3 to 4 seconds. The device will automatically turn on after a short signal. With the production of the brushless motor, MicroNX has gained price competitiveness and has been recognized as a professional company in machine parts and material industry.